You are going to love the 2025 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.